Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. A proposal is coming, a communication is coming. The communication that you wanted, the proposal that you have been waiting for the longest period of time is finally on the horizon, finally coming in coming next 7 days. You will expect a communication from your person, and this communication is going to be turned into a proposal because I see over here that your person have been preparing to give you some kind of proposal. And when I say the proposal, see, in the cards it's not like a marriage sort of proposal, but it's more of like they are thinking about, they are trying to give, they are thinking about to give you a commitment, okay, a solid commitment, or you can say the label of the relationship that you guys have been in for the longest period of time. So your relationship is going to be labeled now within 7 days. I feel like you, on the other hand, you always wanted commitment, you always wanted the solidarity in your relationship, and this is exactly what's happening in coming next 7 days. But with the king of pentacles, see over here, your person is a little bit of egoistic side. They always have this egoistic approach. In their attitude, they are little bit of egoistic, they are little bit of they feel like people revolve around them and something like that. So when they are going to give you the proposal, when they are going to commit to you about the future, and when this communication will arrive, you will see there is a bit kind of narcissistic, not when I say narcissistic, not that narcissistic sort of, but you will see the tone of the way they will propose you, or might be the way they will tell you about their inner feelings, okay. So you will feel like okay, are you exactly giving me proposal, or are you giving me I mean, like, this is more of like the energy where you will feel like, is this person exactly proposing me, or giving some sort of charity, or I don't know, something like that? Because I'm telling you, right, this is a true egoistic sort of person, okay? Your person, or maybe this person, they are very much into their own head. You, on the other hand, Queen of Pentacles, see, King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, pure, proper soulmate energy, proper soulmate reunion. So you are King of Cups. So you, on the other hand, is going to uh, see both of you, not only this person or your person. In fact, even you also have this energy. You also have this tendency, that's why you both are soulmates, okay. So soulmate is somebody who more of like 80-25% energies. There is a similarity in the attitude, in the energies of the soulmate, 80-25%, okay. uh, Not 100%, but you, on the other hand, even you also have this tendency where you have this a little bit of egoistic approach as well. So when they will going to propose you, even you also going to feel like, okay, fine, if you gonna tell me in this tone, I'm also gonna accept this in this tone only. So you are going to accept their proposal, okay, but again in a little bit of egoistic way. So this is such a pure soulmate energy, and such a lovely cards over here. And next 7 days you will going to see the miracles, or you will going to see the energy shift, not only in yourself but in their energy also. So basically your relationship dynamic is changing in next 7 days. It is going to be in next 7 days you will expect things are starting working out in your favor as you always wanted, right? So things are actually working out in your favor in the way you wanted exactly, but still there is a little bit of cohesionness in the kind of the way you guys both talk. On the other hand, King of Cups is directly giving us the approach where Knight of Pentacles also. So you need to work a little bit on your emotions as well, because your emotion, you are a kind of person, you, the people who are watching this, you are a kind of person who have this tendency. See, you are very much balanced in your energy, to be honest. Queen of Pentacle with the King of Cups, you are very balanced in your energy. Previously, earlier, I feel like you were in a mess, or your energies was a little bit messy, because you don't really know where to draw the line. Okay, so you always give your energies, or you always pour your heart out, your energies into the wrong people in your life, and that is the only reason that why universe delayed your relationship, or why universe delayed your this reunion so much, because see, universe wanted to universe wanted to engage yourself in your own energy. Universe want you to, at that time, universe wanted you to prepare yourself, right? Emotionally, physically, mentally. And now when you are prepared, you're actually prepared. Okay, so you are not that much emotional. Of course there is the emotional quotient in yourself, in your energy, but you are now, you know where to draw the line. Okay, now you know uh, whom to give you your energies, whom to give you your emotions, or whom like, how, who is good for you, and who needs your energy, to be honest. At the other On the other hand, even you also know this thing, that in order to sustain a happy life, you really need to work on your finances as well. So you are working on your finances to make a better future for yourself. On the other hand, now you even very much aware of your emotions, like where you give energy. Okay, so this kind of mental clarity, or not only mental clarity, this kind of mental emotional clarity that a particular individual need, is you are very much balanced. Queen King, you are very much balanced, but your person, on the other hand, they are more into their masculinity right now. Masculinity with the financial situation, like they are fully focused. No doubt, but they are giving you the proposal, no doubt they are coming in your life, back in your life, and they're going to tell you how they feel about you, but at the same time you will going to see that still there is this sort of energy where there will be, see, two of cups, sorry, two of swords, as I already telling you this thing. So communication wise, you will see that things are a little bit of confused, like things are still little bit confusing. There will be misunderstandings in your relationship. And the reason behind the communication is still bit confusing. You don't know how to, you know uh, see, you know how to communicate your feelings or your emotions clearly, directly to this person or your person. But as I'm telling you, that they are not in that, you know, femininity or communication mode, because they are still into their masculine trait, and they are still thinking about their finances. They are still thinking about how to work, or how to move their business, even like how to grow their business. So like that. Okay, and you will still going to feel like, why even this person proposed you. Okay, they are telling you that they want a long term stable relationship with you, but still you will going to feel or think like, Okay, fine, but still, why they are not communicating their exact feelings? Why they won't tell you that how much they love you? Why they won't tell you how much they care about you? Something like that. So don't expect this thing to be, from this person, because I'm telling you, they are still, you healed, you got matured, you experienced your emotions, you worked on your healing as well, and that is the reason why that your energies are on the right track. You're not that much masculine, at the same time you're not that much feminine also, so you are in a balanced state of motion. But your person, on the other hand, first of all, they are not healed. They realized some things. Okay, because of course you both are soulmates. So when one person in a soulmate connection, when one person work on their emotional healing, or when one person work on the healing part, the second person still gets the benefit out of it, whether you want this or not, but not that much or that kind of benefit. They will still get the benefit, but not the benefit as you want it. If you want them to be just like you, or you want them to go all in their emotions, that's not going to happen unless until they also work on their energies. Okay, so that is why I'm telling you, there will be a sort of confusion in your relationship. Okay, there will be sort of miscommunication, and you feel like why they are not that much emotionally communicating openly about their feelings. Exactly. Okay, the hermit. And you're still going to feel like whether to accept them or this person or not. You're going to feel that is there something that you did wrong, uh, from expecting or accepting their proposal, because you're going to accept their proposal, Benny. Okay, you are going to accept their proposal. If not today, if not within 7 days, it will going to appear later also. But because you both are meant to be together in this lifetime, okay, and so that is why, because they are not exactly communicating with you the way you want. Okay, so then only you're going to feel whether you did something wrong from accepting their proposal. So you are trying to introspect your own energies. You are going to introspect your own self, or your own decision of accepting their proposal. So there's a lot of introspection is coming. There's a lot of thinking, actually overthinking is coming, and you will start to feel a bit distant, or maybe you will going to feel a bit cold energy. You feel like let's just not talk to them, or give them the taste of their own medicine, sort of thing. So just don't do that. Okay, just don't do that, because if you're still going to play this energy, or this, I would rather say, a mind games, please don't do that. Okay, because listen, my beautiful people, there's this direct indication why it's happening, and you know the reason. Okay, so when you know something, why the person is acting in a certain way, you should give them chance, as well as you should give them the you know time to be to heal themselves. So they still want the healing. You healed yourself, they still want the healing. They still uh, going on a track of healing. And how is that even possible? The kind of healing that this person wants is only possible when you is going to be in their life, when you encourage them to heal, when you stay with them. Okay, when you understand them. So because masculinity, the masculine energy always want the feminine emotional energy. So that is why universe first prepared you in order in order to both of you to be a great couple. Such a lovely reading. Claim this beautiful energy. I love you all.